In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove blank spaces before and after text in Excel. When you're working with data in Excel, extra spaces can cause all kinds of problems. They can affect sorting, filtering, lookups, and even simple comparisons between cells. The text might look fine at first glance, but hidden spaces at the start or end of a cell can make Excel think two values are different when they're not. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a clear and reliable way to clean up that text by removing those unwanted spaces. First, open your Excel file and locate the column that contains the text you want to clean. It's a good idea not to overwrite your original data right away, so we'll use a helper column. Click on an empty column next to your data. In the first cell of that new column, type the trim function. It should look like this: equals TRIM, open parenthesis, then click the cell that has the messy text, close parenthesis, and press Enter. The trim function in Excel is designed specifically to remove extra spaces from text. It deletes all spaces at the beginning and at the end of the text, and also reduces any groups of multiple spaces inside the text down to a single space. This is especially useful when you've copied data from another system, from the web, or from a file where spacing isn't consistent. After you've entered the formula in that first cell, you'll see a cleaned-up version of your text. Now you want to apply this to the rest of the column. Hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of that cell until you see the small fill handle. Then click and drag it down to copy the formula for all rows that contain data. Each cell in the helper column will now display the trimmed version of the original text. If you're happy with the cleaned results and you want to replace the original data, select the entire helper column, copy it, then right-click on the first cell of your original column and choose Paste Values. This step is important because it replaces the formulas with actual text, so you're no longer dependent on the helper column. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, you can safely delete the helper column. That's all you need to quickly remove blank spaces before and after text in Excel, and keep your data clean and reliable.